ready to go see John Dramani Mahama, former president, who said, on the country, say, the dead goat, and maybe, sir, and this a mono, I see, drink a tiao, Papa Penny and Casabro, two more food, Juna, and correct, and who to the moon, Yansa one came to make a bahon. Who more about Captain's band womb, and a woo Jimmy, Jimmy Pool, and I want Namsa, I did be a bad wagana, who be I or who be Bunsam. And I will take Ghana, so I would bring another pathological liar, Sam George. You see, look at Nebuswas. Yeah, in more pam, maybe I may catch the moment. Is it 2024? If you vote for Sam Georgia, man, fire Benny Yansa and Kotwaba. Matwaba for time immemorial. What your mind this is, it took Nanados little time in Webbe factory, Amamo. And the more two about the man NDC was Nimo Pram. Sanka, or mood be a factory by Kokrama moi. And come on, back in this winter, you can so go. And Brabban soon a chance of free park as well. And you can say refugee go. Now, at time, some way, at the Aquaco in the Supreme Court. Say, young Kirby Mount. Now, former president also edge or bastardize Supreme Court to say, Domo Yeno, or my Tranchia. Former president, oh, Casaya Chim. Say, Chim said, the air can answer 1 piece no Mukupan, or me a tibon cost to Domuko. You see, I do baby. And Mram, do baby and the fear Yansa. In the MPP, MPs no more the fear Yansa and a BT mo. A fear Yansa that be a cassette and these MPs Munko Pebino and no more the BT mono. Because the Munya fear Yansa or Parliament wa Munko Contoka. So Munya fear Yansa. Yes, a giddy me ko Booby or Bitty Kunyami and Cadre Bono Cotocha dear. Wouldn't if fear Yansa, dear, the beer, dear Kawini. Na de bia so nyansa win eno na akama mo de kwaje 70 e wo court. Okay, mummy hear the ruling na e bai. What say? In exercising our discretion on whether to grant or refuse this application, we have considered one, this is the Supreme Court ruling. We have considered one, the nature of the relief sought, that is declaration that an act of parliament is null and void. Okay, Supreme Court say, yeah, babe, no more umbefe, said the Omode by no, a thousand the greater inconvenience or irreparable harm or loss which the parties will suffer, including the likely issues in refunding numerous tax deductions, should be reinforced. Okay, the nature of the legislation which is under attack, including the fact that the act under review is just any legislation, it is a tax on the issuer. And the Supreme Court, yes, or better now say, Ashia say, Sebi, and someone Modia Ban. The only can say, Parliament proceedings near course. Supreme Court bet me the Constitution of Ghana. And we are one. And we are almost our catch there said, the entity almost in Germany said, Asem no, omo de bi, ne fa bi court. And to omo de court on it dear. A bit my say a bow umbedi bim, omudibima, or my yati or munina to musica. And the abino soon to mean and refund them my woman, and Tisadia Yilevi, Yenkem. The Atosumi, now face we are quite say, Oma, Omojiji, Ilevino, and so Omana Mombra Panswana. Okay, Mumian. The Atosu me and Sana Mekan, the Atosu now say whether public interest and welfare of Ghanaian people is better protected by grant or refusal of the injunction sought. Being a public law application, we have also considered the legal maxim omnia presumptua right, excepta, way a Latin word, and its application to the official act such as an act of parliament. This is legal presumption, which is gained statutory recognition under Section 37/1 of the Evidence Act 1975. Okay, there said Etienne, and he said, Mrebi Ohonoma, ye jitum falasa, jese or evidence contrary to the ejitum. See, I can say minister, or so for her panswa. Yen na ye emrano my kwan say ye jitum say or the sikano ye kwan no pepepe onamra kwan so jese wa wuso wa adanse ye say on famra kwan so na wobetimi di adanse abekire no wo de ba e na wotimi be reverse no eno ene de me di kan sisi a so enti say what the Asem say court now yes a ma adwen ye me say me susu say wo court dia now sebi wan fanya asasem an court enti the 7-0 now mo kwaje court na afi no ombese omo yes a court no ewia wo mo no kwase bi jimifuo bi ni aboa bi awo ye frɛ no Kofi Ezeku jimi papa waba ha wa ndisi fo jimifuo ni bi omo jimi tu aboa me ti mi page so no minya free ha wa betra ha no ma wutie nyansa won se ho hyehye wa aboa ba mo me enkoso ka se ye bejeja mo na mo de mo ba ye so ndisi fo de jimi na mo didi atema na wa beka na ye jeja ma afi ye nya ni sa o de ba ye betwa ma wo kwaso ya se to ato ba bi bone adofo mo fa nchem ne enko na moa no ebi ba sa na ya na se etima wo mo no mo ko okay mo ma nhwe ruling na thank you Deborah. Mummy ruling about or say Supreme Court say in this the official acts by organs of the state and government department are presumed to be regularly performed unless there's strong evidence in rebuttal. And the says here say a minister good afternoon. Your minister or my money na presume say sika bi e be fa on bia o de ye ministerial job just say me ka say won fa nye dia just say me kita dance e de eko etiao e wo court of law competent court of law and sana ye nyina ye betimi agi atum say ampa wan fa nye adwuma. Okay, in balancing the hardships in the event of the applicants succeeding in their claim to declare electronic transfer levy unconstitutional and therefore null and void, the sum deducted on transaction could be refunded as aforesaid. And now, only say, yenkum, kopim say, as some of the akwa die court, no. Yebeka sa asem na wie, ni yeka sa asem ni wie na se ekoba se omudi bem dia na eche se oma ya che omusika nyina no. Ense ye dia oma de mo. And the Supreme Court say ampa de mo kanu de wom na emom nyansa mu no yeti omo a aban no sade omusika asa mo omo no ebetumi aye na emom efri na ekoya akopum se ebedi sa mo asem na wie no si ewie a ye ntumi nkasa wo na e wo se yete oni antew nti ye beka ni nyina bom ye de atew enti no asama mo de bae no yetena so ehwe ni ya ye ntimi nyintum because de mo ka no ye gituma ebe ha Ghana fo a chen sede mo ka no aban say data wo ho mate usika enya mra kwan so no mate wa metimi du usika ma wo so say da bi aban yente no jano mane nko ne mo ye di asem ni wie ni ehwe na esenke yetena ebi anka ese every day bia na yete no 5 Ghana na sa asem yi be take ye 4 months that ye Ghana ya asem ti ebi kula timi ko 8 months can multiply 5 times 30 times 8 na chese nipa ba ko ohia ni no be ya ma afege ye ba be je no ho no e bia be 1005 Ghana cedis. This is the NDC thinking.